So one thing I found on Showstoppers today was really cool. It's from a company called Maktar, and it's called Qubii.
That sounds like a bad 80s sci-fi villain.
It sure does
Yeah.
actually, but it's a cool idea. So imagine a little charging plug for your phone that has an SD card slot on it. You plug in your phone at the end of the day, and the SD card slot, you put an SD card in there, and it'll automatically back up all your photos. No subscription, no anything. You just basically get a secondary physical backup of all your photos and videos.
That's actually kind of handy. I almost ran into a bit of an emergency. I've got literally 20,000 photos that I've been sitting on a server, like a home server for a while. And these things keep growing every day. Like on my phone, I have another 20,000 and it just starts freaking me out. Like the stuff I had on my server, I had bit rot and a
Yeah,
bunch of them were corrupted. And so luckily I had a backup and an online backup, but still, all that stuff on your phone and those cloud subscriptions start getting expensive. You know what I mean?
yeah. Well, and sometimes if your internet goes down or something else, something always gets missed,
Yeah.
gets out of sync or something. I just think this is a neat idea to have an actual backup, especially for people that maybe they don't trust the cloud or they don't want to pay for the cloud, and they just want to make sure that they actually have a local copy that they don't have to pay for. So it's a cool idea.
I'm gonna check it out.
Every day we'll have new and fresh CES updates, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. And also don't forget the little bell icon. That'll give you a notification of the next time we post a video, which will be pretty regularly during CES and even beyond.